Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm on the leadership of Spring Harvest, and I want to tell you about our theme for 2022. Restore, renew, rebuild. Let me just focus on that middle word there, renew. On our middle day at Spring Harvest, we want to look at how do we renew our focus. You see, Jesus has an activity in the world that he's doing. And sometimes the church's activity doesn't always align itself fully with what Jesus is doing. You see, the church is the body of Christ, but sometimes the body is out of line with what Jesus is doing. And using the story of Nehemiah, we'll be looking at how do we renew our focus? How do we see what the problem is? And how do we correct that course and create a new focus, a new vision for our churches, not only for those in the building, but for those outside of the building. We want to see a church that is formed around the mission of God. We want to see where the problems are, what walls need rebuilding, what doors need correcting. We want to see what is that we're trying to do, then align our vision with that. So restore, renew, rebuild. Before we rebuild, we have to restore the vision that God has given us as individuals and the church. So I want to invite you to come to Spring Harvest in 2022 as we explore vision, strategy, mission. What does this look like, and how do we implement a mission for our churches that will really see our neighborhoods changed? Friends, get yourself booked into Spring Harvest next year. We would love to have you with us.
You restore.